In this video, you will see 7 best online learning websites in no particular order. First one is the Khan Academy website. It is an online learning website which offers completely free courses on the subjects of math, science, humanities and economics. They have done the collaboration with most of the US schools, and they offer these subjects class wise or the grade wise, which you can see from their website. The most important thing about Khan Academy is that they also have a YouTube channel in which you will find these tutorial videos for these subjects. Apart from their main channel, they also have the Khan Academy for the kids and Khan Academy for the teachers, and for the original content they have the specific channels for India, Spanish and the Brazil. The next one is the Udemy. It is the most popular and the biggest website for the online course. It offers both free and paid content. They also have the mobile apps, so you can download the apps and you can listen to your lessons at any time. There are more than 130,000 online courses available on this website. The important categories includes the design, development, marketing, IT software, business, photography and personal development. You can learn at your own pace from your mobile or the desktop. The price of the courses starts from as low as $9 and it can go up to as high as $500. The next website which I want to recommend is the Skillshare, which is again one of the most popular online learning websites. The prominent categories in which they offer the courses includes the animation, design, illustration, lifestyle, photo and film editing, business and writing. The good thing about this Skillshare is that they offer about more than 500 free courses also, and the duration of their class is such that if you only have limited time for a day to learn, for example, if you only have 15 minutes, size of the class would be according to that duration, and you would be able to learn in small pieces of chunks for whatever the skill or the course you want to learn from this website. They also have the professional paid courses. You need to sign up and for different courses there will be different prices which you can check out. The link is in the description if you want to visit this website. Unlike the Skillshare, Coursera is a website on which if you are a university or a college student and you want to learn the formal education, you can learn in the field of business, data sciences, computer sciences, information technology, health and psychology. All these subjects which you generally would learn at the university or a college, you would learn from the professional professors from different universities, and as it is mentioned on their website, they collaborate with more than 200 leading universities and companies across the globe, and from there they offer these courses. As a student, you can master the in-demand skills from this website by learning from the top instructors from across the globe, leading universities, and at the end of the course they also offer the certificates and diplomas. According to the website, the 77 million online people are learning from this Coursera website. So check out this website by visiting the link which is given in the description below. The next one is the Ellison website, which offers the free online courses from the world's leading experts. The major categories in which they offer the courses includes the IT, sales management, health, business, personal development and teaching. At the end of the course you can also get certificate or diploma, and if you want to learn a specific skill for a job, that you can also from this website. According to the website statistics, 20 million people are learning from this website. 3 millions have already been graduated. There are more than 3,000 plus courses, and people from more than 195 countries are learning through this website. So do check out this from the link which is in the description below. The last website which I want to recommend is the udacity.com. It is, if you want to learn the digital skills, then this website is good for you, as they offer the courses in the artificial intelligence, autonomous systems, cloud computing, cyber security, data sciences and project management. You can learn as per your own convenience by just giving 10 hours a week on this websites, any course which you entitle or enroll yourself. If there's any website which we have missed and you think that it should have been part of this video, do mention that in below. We'll try to make another video on this. In any case, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.